Welcome back to Lucian in the Bush. We are not in the kitchen, so we cannot say Lucian in the kitchen. Lucian in the bush. We are still camping. It's been very difficult to make videos because we came camping and there's no power. So it's hard to charge batteries, charge cameras. So I tried my best. But still, if you're new to the channel, welcome. To all my regulars, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that click like button, you know, click gang, click, yeah, come true. So one of my subscribers gave me two beautiful zucchinis. I already used from it in another video. I made some soup, but I wanted to do another video with it, and I'm gonna put in a little clip of his garden and where this came from. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little stir fry something with this morning, so stay tuned. Yeah, Lucian in the kitchen. We're gonna use the two beautiful pieces of zucchini, tomato, onions, sunflower seed, and maybe some lemon, some orange juice, some salt, and special seasoning mix. Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up, and this is our fire right here, right there. Boom. See our fire? Heat it up. Pan is ready to go. Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Can I get a thumbs up?
Hey, you protect the one where you were planting.
I gave him two good ones.
Rasta,
Green one and a yellow one.
do you know? That's when you're a good chef, you plant vegetables and spice and seasoning. You know that? Like garlic, look at this garlic. Soon come.
Yeah, guys. Gonna start the show off. My pan is already hot on my fire. That's a little bit of oil. I'm not gonna add too much oil. Little bit of oil. And add some thyme in there. I have lots of thyme, so I'm gonna put lots of thyme. Thyme, some rosemary, more thyme. Why not? Add my onions. Oops, we lost some onion. Little bit more oil. My onions can saute a bit. Add some seasoning. Also, again, as usual, this is my first time making this, okay? My first time making this dish. I don't know how it's gonna taste. So, we're just trying something. That's a lid. Let that do thing for a bit. Stay tuned, yeah? Over here, man. I already chopped everything. Look. I already chopped everything nice. Big thick size. Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Yes, folks. Now we're gonna add the orange juice. Just a little bit, not a lot. I'm not gonna. Ooh. Let that simmer for a bit. Some salt. Pink. Stir that up. Stay tuned. Yep. Now we're gonna add our sunflower seeds. And we're gonna add the stars of the show. Ow, 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 ow. Fire. Mix it in there. Hang on. Fire, hang on, hang on. I need to get the proper mix. So hot. Ah, I lost the tomato. Yeah, guys. See, the things I go through for you guys. The things I go through for you. You see? Look at the thing. Burn my hand. Again, second hand burn. Second burned hand. Stay tuned. Listen in the kitchen, man. Yes, folks. Come take a look. Come take a look. See that? Ow! Flames! Jesus, flames! Stop hurting me! Stop burning me! Naughty flame! But anyways, guys, I think we're done. We're done. We don't have to cook it too much. We're done. Let me guess. We're done. Here, let me put it there for you to see. Let me take this oil off. Oops. Ah, you guys don't have the thing in there. Okay.
Oh my god, drop some.
Okay, guys, we're done. We're done. Here. See it? Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? I hope you learned something today, okay? You see what I did for you? I made this video getting burnt and all type of stuff, but look at that.